Do you know what will make it even more awesome? If you follow the classroom rules. It helps keep everyone safe and helps keep a classroom that is easy to learn in. So are you ready for the rules? Rule number 1. Walk in the classroom and halls. Number 2. Raise your hand when you want to be called on. Rule number 3. Sit crisscross applesauce on the rug and always remember one of Miss Anoka's and my secret word. Kai Foodie, which means keep your hands, feet, and other objects to yourself. Rule number 4. Work quietly at your seat. Teacher and do what is asked the first time given. These are the rules of Miss Anoka's classroom. You guys sure do look like superstars, and as long as you follow the rules, you will have a